I launched the Collector Car Fantasy Football. And that was a lot of fun because basically it's for quote unquote experts, including myself, instead of picking 11 players for your fantasy football team with a salary cap, we picked 11 cars from 11 categories that we think we're going to appreciate over time for our ultimate collection with $1 million salary cap. And so I had a couple folks from Haggerty. I had Ramsey Potts, who's a car specialist with RM Sotheby's. And we really got into it because like fantasy football, if someone picked the car, you couldn't pick it for your pick. And so we had a lot of craziness going on. And that's a lot of fun because listeners can get involved. They can go to thecollectorcarpodcast.com and download their own form and look up the rules and they can play along. If I get enough players, we'll have brackets where folks can win a prize at the end. So every time Haggerty updates their valuation tools, we will have another round of the Collector Car Fantasy Football. So that's a lot of fun. And it's a way to get people really engaged.